Want a credit card, but got zero credit history? Don't worry, you're not alone. Whether you're fresh out of high school, a college student, or just starting your financial journey, this video is your no-fluff, step-by-step guide on how to apply for a credit card with no credit history. Stay with me, because your credit journey starts right now. If you've already tried applying for a credit card and got rejected, you might be wondering, what gives? Well, most traditional credit cards check your credit report and credit score. If you have no credit history, there's literally nothing for lenders to evaluate. It's like applying for a job with a blank resume. But here's the good news. There are special types of cards designed for beginners just like you. Let's break it down. Here are 3 smart options to consider if you're applying for a credit card with no credit history. 1. Secured credit cards. These are the most beginner-friendly. You put down a deposit, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your credit limit. It's not prepaid. You're still billed monthly, and that activity gets reported to all 3 major credit bureaus. 2. Student credit cards. Perfect if you're in college. These cards often come with no annual fee, lower income requirements, and bonuses for paying on time. Great for building credit from scratch. 3. No credit check credit cards. Some fintech companies now offer starter credit cards with no hard credit inquiry. These are rare, but worth exploring if you're serious about getting started fast. Each of these can help you build credit from zero to hero. Before you apply, make sure you have these ready. A valid Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer ID, ITIN. Proof of income could be part-time job, student aid, or even family support. A U.S. mailing address. A checking or savings account, especially if you're applying for a secured card. Some applications will ask for your monthly housing cost, so have that number ready too. All right, here's how to apply for a credit card with no credit history, step by step. Step 1. Choose the right card. Look for cards that say no credit required, student credit card, or secured credit card in the description. Some popular beginner-friendly options include Capital One Platinum Secured, Discover It Student Cashback, Petal One Visa, no credit check. Step 2. Apply online. Go directly to the issuer's website. Don't use third-party sites that could spam you with ads. Step 3. Fill out your info. Name, SSN, address, income. Be accurate. If you're a student, some issuers allow you to list financial support as income. Step 4. Submit and wait. Most responses come within seconds. If you're approved, great. If not, don't panic. We'll cover what to do next. Step 5. If secured, make the deposit. This activates your card. After a few months of on-time payments, many issuers may upgrade you to an unsecured card. Want to increase your approval chances? Apply for just one card at a time. Too many applications can hurt you. Don't lie about income. Issuers can verify. If denied, check your reason. You can request a free explanation under the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Try a credit builder loan or authorized user strategy if you keep getting denied. And always pay your bill on time. Even $1 late can hurt your future. Getting your first credit card with no credit history might feel like a catch-22, but trust me, it's absolutely doable. Start small. Stay consistent. And in just a few months, you'll be on your way to a solid credit score. Want to know which card is best for you? Check out the links in the description. We've done the research for you. Like this video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step financial guides. Your credit journey starts today. You got this.